Hello and welcome to our video on meal prepping for healthy eating. If you're looking to improve your diet and make healthier food choices, meal prepping can be a game changer. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of meal prepping, providing you with practical tips and strategies to help you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Step 1. Understanding the benefits of meal prepping. Meal prepping offers numerous benefits, including saving time, reducing food waste, controlling portions, and promoting healthier eating habits. By preparing your meals in advance, you'll have nutritious options readily available, making it easier to resist the temptation of unhealthy choices. Step 2. Setting realistic goals. Before diving into meal prepping, it's important to set realistic goals for yourself. Determine how many meals and snacks you want to prepare in advance and consider your dietary preferences, lifestyle, and schedule. Step 3. Planning your meals. Planning your meals is crucial for successful meal prepping. Take some time to research healthy recipes, create a grocery list, and plan out your meals for the week or a few days in advance. Step 4. Grocery shopping and meal prep supplies. Once you've planned your meals, it's time to go grocery shopping. Make sure to stock up on fresh produce, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Additionally, invest in meal prep containers, food storage bags, and any other supplies you might need. Step 5. Preparing your ingredients. Before you start cooking, take some time to prepare your ingredients. Wash and chop vegetables, cook grains or pasta, and portion out proteins. This step will make the actual cooking process smoother and more efficient. Step 6. Batch cooking. Batch cooking is a key component of meal prepping. Cook large portions of your meals and divide them into individual servings. This will save you time and ensure that you have plenty of healthy options readily available. Step 7. Proper food storage. Proper food storage is essential to ensure your prepped meals stay fresh and safe to consume. Use airtight containers or resealable bags and follow food safety guidelines for refrigeration and freezing. Step 8. Incorporating variety. While meal prepping, it's important to incorporate variety into your meals to prevent boredom and ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Mix up your protein sources, vegetables, and cooking methods to keep things interesting. Step 9. Portion control. Meal prepping can also help with portion control, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing overeating. Use appropriate portion sizes when preparing your meals and consider investing in portion control containers or scales. Step 10. Flexibility and adjustments. Remember that meal prepping is a flexible process and it's okay to make adjustments as needed. If you find yourself getting bored with your prepped meals or if your schedule changes, don't be afraid to switch things up or try new recipes. Conclusion. Meal prepping is an excellent way to support a healthy lifestyle and make nutritious eating more accessible. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of meal prepping and enjoying the benefits of a balanced, nutritious diet. Happy prepping!